Hi guys, we're gonna start with this prepoo process. There are a lot of ways you can prepoo your hair. This is just me showing you a very easy way that everyone can do at home without very complicated products. If you're new to the word prepoo, it basically means pre-shampoo, where you show your hair some love before washing it to avoid minimal breakage. So first you want to work on sectioned hair, so that's me just getting the hair out with a twist out so that it can get easier and manageable when working with the hair. So I'm left with one section. As you all can see, I can manage that. So before we start, you're gonna need some things, and the first thing you're gonna need is a spray bottle or a mist bottle. In my case, I have a mist bottle, or just get anything that can introduce water to your hair. So that's the first thing. The second thing you need, you can use hair butter or hair oil. If you do not have hair butter, you can use hair oil. If you do not have hair oil, use hair butter. But in my case, I'm gonna use hair butter because that's what I have now. So we're going to start with saturating the hair with water. Make sure that you're covering your ends. This is just to soften the hair, make it easier during detangling so that you can avoid breakage. So guys, run your fingers through the hair. Make sure you're feeling every knot, you're feeling every tangle. That was just me trying to show you a knot, but I guess it was not visible, but it's okay. So detangle. Use any method you use to detangle. You can use a wide toothed comb, you can use your fingers, or you can use a detangling brush. But in my case, I normally use fingers to detangle my hair. It's tedious, but it gets the job done. So that was me doing my length check, and I was happy. So after you're finished detangling, make sure you can feel no knots. Get your hair butter, or in your case hair oil. Make sure that it's very light on your hair. Don't apply very thick products on your hair. Cover your hair with the hair oil or the hair butter. Do not forget your ends, because if you don't show your ends some love, then you'll be doing zero work. So make sure you're feeling every hair is coated with the hair oil or hair butter, and continue with the rest of the hair. So at this point, I'm just going to fast forward because I've already gotten the gist of what's happening. So this is just me showing you close up of how my hair is detangled. There's no knots, there's no hair ties. Add water where need be. The goal is to introduce moisture to the hair as many times as possible. Look at that hair, it's very soft, and now it's gonna be easier to shampoo with no breakage. So let's twist that and let's get the next part of the hair. At this time, guys, I was really regretting why I started this process. Look at how much hair I had left, and I still had to finish. But anyway, I continued. You've already gotten the gist of the process. So as I continue doing that, I'm going to tell you a lot of benefits of pre-pooing. Pre-pooing basically introduces moisture to your hair because you're going to shampoo. You know, there are some shampoos that are very harsh on the hair, that they strip moisture to the hair, and you don't want to work with dry hair. So this is why you need to pre-poo your hair to avoid breakage. So continue with the process, guys. I was tired, my arms were complaining, I wanted to cry, I could not reverse the process, but anyway. So continue to prepare your hair, and that's how I looked at the end of the preppooing. This was like 10 million years later, but I enjoyed the process. Okay, I've lied, I didn't enjoy the process, but the results are worth it. Look at the density of the hair. There are no knots, there are not tangles, and that's what you're going for. And I'm super sure that my hair is moisturized. This is just me showing you my hair from the back, and I feel like my hair has a very weird growing pattern. It's like a letter T. But anyway, as long as it's healthy, that's what matters. So look at that hair. It was so soft. Just look at it. And the shampooing process is gonna be easy. That's me having my modeling session. After shampooing my hair, this is the breakage I got. I mean, it's very little compared to the fact that my hair was out for 2 weeks. So guys, prepoo. Then that was me. My hair was still dripping water. I did these 2 big braids at the back of my head, and then I did these 2 flat twists on each side, and that was it, guys. If you want minimum breakage, introduce Prepoo in your hair. See you on my next video.